Here we are in Cambridge at Glen Morris, getting ready to go down. Bunch of kayak bass buddies I have here. I got John bringing his water skeeter. The
fishing machine.
The fishing machine. It's pink and mean. The fishing machine.
Loud and proud.
Pongo man. Pongo 120. Okay, let's slayer some smallies. Woo woo! That's Bouncer from the tree. Fish on. Yeah, little guy. Ollie. There we go. First one of the day. Not too bad. We're only 45 minutes in. 40.5 hour in. Beautiful river smallmouth. I gotta be careful here with the popper. But there you go. Nice 11 inch. Gotta love those smallmouth. There you go, buddy. Top water. Top water at noon on a sunny day. Woo woo! Top water in the middle of the sunny day. Smallmouth to boot. Want some bigger ones though, but I ain't gonna complain. Any smallmouth river bass for me, I love. Some of the best fun you can have fishing is in a river for smallies. There's a deer drinking water along the river edge. We all got lucky and seen that beautiful deer. Perfect for the river. Oh, he's putting a show on for the camera here.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, let's keep it rolling then.
Oh,
he lost it. He lost her.
Okay, camera's not going to lie. There was a bend in the rod.
Yeah. Nice. Now that's a beast. That is a beast. Quite possible my smallest smallmouth I've ever caught. Right on. Get her in, buddy. Get her in. Smile, you're on YAKMAN TV. Here we go. We got one here. Hit the top. Top water. That's a beast. For today, that's the record. Tito. That's a record for today.
Nice scrappy little guy.
Yeah, nice little guy. Woo woo! Woo! That's Bob Mizumi calling me. Ask me how I do it.
Calling you with that Berkeley sponsorship.
Yo, YAKMAN here. I'm in the middle of making a video. What do you want? Told you, call my agent. I'm in the middle of the Grand fishing, catching a fish, and I got a whack of people. Here, give me a sec though. Hold on a sec. Yeah, let me get. Sorry, Jerry.
No worries.
Yo, Grant, when you see this video, that's you on the phone. I'm just gonna shore up here. Okay, hey, let me turn my video off. I gotta talk to Grant. I got Grant on the phone. Here, say hello to the camera, Grant. You're gonna be in this video.
Rockstar YAKMAN is a rock star. So that's it.
It sounds like Grant sitting at home drinking some beers.
No, I am. I'm not.
No, I am. I'm not. Yes, you are. But yeah, we're fishing up a storm. We're out here with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of us are out here, all in kayaks, and we're enjoying it. In 2 weeks from now, we're in a big tournament out here, Kayak Smallmouth Bass tournament. So we're just testing the waters right now. So next weekend we're all in a big tournament up in Waterford for largemouth bass. So yeah, things are going good. We're catching lots of fish, doing lots of fishing. The channel's doing better, getting good followers. Getting the right followers too, that's the main thing. I gotta get off the phone, Grant. I gotta get back to fishing.
Sorry, man.
I'll let you say goodbye. Say goodbye to our viewers.
Oh, of course, yes, and please subscribe.
Ah, perfect. All right, brother, you take care. We'll talk soon, eh? Right on. Bye. Another guy on the top water here. Another record for the day. And these little guys are strong enough that they keep pulling me out of my parking spot. You know, catching little guys like this, it's all right when they're in the river on top water. It is still exciting. Oh, he's hooked. He's hooked in the top and the bottom. There we go. That's the only thing I don't like about the poppers is the treble hooks. Yep. But nice little guy. You know, makes for a fun day of fishing. You catch like that, and then all of a sudden you'll hit into a big one. So plenty of fish in this river. And like I said earlier, there's some good sized ones. I love fishing this river. So we switched over to a tube. Got a little bit bigger. We're still getting little guys, but oh, he's got sharp teeth. A little bit better, a little bit better. I knew I wanted to stop and try here for a minute, and it paid off. Got a nice one on the second cast. These smallmouth, you never know. Like they feel, every one of them feels big.
Oliver's got one.
Oliver's pretty good. He knows what he's doing.
Yeah, he's got one.
Got a nice one, Oliver? There we go. There, that's the best one of the day. Hey, that's the best one of the day, no? Adam, double header.
Nice fish.
That's they're getting bigger, boys. They're getting bigger. This one's, we're up to getting in the 12-inch mark, getting a little fatter. But it's entertaining, exciting. Going to town on the smallies. Another nice little one.
Got it?
Nice. Nice one, buddy. That's probably the best one of the day so far. Oliver's got a nice smallie here on the Grand.
On the tube.
On the tubes. Nice little fight, eh?
Yeah, nice fight. Jumped in the air. Not bad.
Beauty. Nice
Congo
catch.
120. Ready for the tournament, Grand River.
Woo-woo! Stuck. Adam, how's the Grand River treating you?
Treating me really well. It's exciting out here. Fish are biting. Beautiful day.
Got some,
go down some rapids right now.
I'll go behind you.
Alright.
Pointer straight, pointer straight. Straight, straight, straight. Oliver, how's the day going?
Good.
Good?
Awesome.
In your Bungo 120?
Bungo 120.
Right on. Grand River, some good fishing. These smallies, you gotta love it. Let's hope somebody hooks into a nice one before the day's over. There's Adam. Adam's getting ready to give her a go with the tube.
Give her a go. Give her a go.
How you making out? Good?
Not too bad. Got a couple under my belt. Looks like a bigger fish to end the day, but so far so good.
Yeah, yeah.
Got the poppers working, top water action. Now I'm trying out this tube.
Yeah, going back and forth. Tube, popper, tube, popper. Look, we got a convoy of dinghies coming down. Lots of people on the river today. We must have seen, well, there must have been at least 100 by now of tubers, eh?
At least.
Easy 100.
Everyone having a great day.
Yeah, great day, great weather. Summers. We're in the late weeks of August, so we gotta enjoy this weather while we get it. All right, we're getting more consistent along this size. Still on the small side, but lots of fun though. Oliver, don't damage your baby. That's Smallmouth Isle. Woo. Look at Adam looking like a pro, looking like a pro. It's nice fishing this though, eh? Because everything's new, like every corner and everywhere you go, it's a new spot.
It is. I can't even keep track of my hot spot.
I know, that's why you asked me where I caught it. It's like, I don't know. There we go. There we go. We've got one here. We're getting up around 14 or 15 inch. Nice one. Top water popper. There you go, buddy.
You just need cooperative here, Mr. Smallmouth. Open your lips. There you go. Ooh, he's fresh. There we go.
Nice, nice, nice.
A little over 18 inches.
Was it popper or?
No, got this guy on a tube.
Tube, good. Good,
Yep.
well done, well done.
And
Makes our trip for all of us.
don't mind sharing a secret. A little crawfish pattern with a little orange on the tail.
Yeah, yeah. That's... let's get a close up. Let's get a close up here of Oliver. Nice one on a tubie all day, he says. I just got a popper. I just got a nice guy on a popper here. Where? Whoa. Easy, easy, cowgirl. There we go. Nice guy. Nice long skinny one, eh?
Hooked up.
16 incher. I just lost a nice one. Oliver, did you tell the camera that the nice one I lost up there? She was a beaut. Do you guys want to rent my fish so you can have pictures with it? Adam, how do I make them look real big?
It's a secret. Trades. That's bigger than mine?
Oh yeah. Quite a bit. I'm running out of battery power everywhere.